Hi, my name is Tina, and these are your announcements. Reach out and find Christ during this Christmas season. Christmas play is tonight. Bring your friends and family. It's at 6 p.m. We're going to have our candlelight service this Christmas Eve at 6 p.m. No services this week, so please spend time with your family. And then back behind you, we have our welcome booth, which has your first-time friend card and also a prayer card. If you fill out your first-time friend card, we'll give you a special gift. Go to citypoint.tv and click on the City Circles button. That's for our new small group ministry, and that's to meet new people and be connected and involved with others in the church. And it's also for accountability and spiritual growth. We need about 10 people to fill the production team. We need people in sound, we need people on cameras, and we need people in PowerPoint. The best part is very easy. It's to take the gospel that is preached here and spread it around the world, like our podcast, videos, and upcoming live stream. And if you would like to be a part of the announcements, please contact Kevin Gale.
That's me!
Today.